What's good in the hood, YouTube, man? It's your boy Sean the Official, and welcome back to another video. Now look, in today's video, we got the Downpipes, man. We got the Boosted 6 Autowerks Downpipes. And right now, we're on the way to my friend's shop to get them put on. So right now, we got like a 2-hour drive, unfortunately. Yeah, so we're gonna make that trip all the way to Monroe, Georgia, to my friend's shop, like I said. And we're gonna get the Downpipes installed. But yeah, so I think these are like 3-inch lower downpipes. They're Boosted 6 Autowerks. They come with of course the 2 downpipes, and then you got the flanges and you got the bolts that they come with it. So once I get closer to my friend's shop, I'm gonna pick up the POV back up, and I'm gonna show you guys the install of the downpipes and show you kind of like the performance difference on the car. So I'm actually really excited. I've been waiting so long to get these downpipes in to install them and to really just feel the power difference in the car. Yeah, I'm about to make this little 2-hour drive real quick, and once I get closer, then I'm gonna pick up the camera and get the process started with you guys. So hey man, let's get it. We just made it to my friend's shop, man. We finna get the downpipes installed. We got the Boosted 6 Autowerks lower downpipes getting installed today, and tomorrow I'm actually gonna go buy an exhaust for the car to make it louder and whatnot. But you know, I've been waiting a long time to get these downpipes and whatnot, and just, you know, the time is finally has come. So hey man, but check out this queue real quick though. It's not going crazy, man. I ain't even gonna lie. Got the carbon fiber. 12 out here moving though.
I saw you posted inside that group chat on that.
Yeah.
That's good that you got Boosted 6 too.
Yeah. Cause I was looking around like AMS and whatnot. They had AMS. Of course, you got Boosted and some other people, but Boosted 6 was pretty common, so.
Yeah, we got a little partnership with Boosted 6.
Okay.
So,
okay.
You'll be happy to see that we're installing our pipes on this.
For sure. Hey man, Boosted 6 Autowerks. Hey man, it's about to go crazy, man. I'm telling you, but that power difference is about to be stupid. Okay.
Because you don't really need the intakes, but
okay.
It's nice to have them.
Yeah.
But it's also as much power as your car is going to make. Without those intakes, it's going to make that power, you know? I mean, you slap those intakes and maybe push a little bit more.
Yeah.
But, like, not enough for you to be like, oh,
yeah.
You know? So, like, I would go with the 2.
Okay.
That's probably the best bet. Gotcha. And then eventually, like, if you want to go for noise.
Yeah, go for this. Okay.
Because intakes make the car drive.
The sound, yeah.
The sound is a huge thing for me, you know?
Yeah. I know the blowout valve sounds good too, though.
Yeah, the blowout valve sounds sick.
Yeah.
The only thing is, like, they're pretty harmful.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I mean, people have mixed opinions on it. But the scientific reasoning behind it is because in VR30s, we have diverter valves.
Okay.
And those are basically like it recirculates the air already.
Got
basically
you.
Does what a blowout valve does.
Yeah.
But it's built into the motor.
Got you.
Or to the turbo. But,
And then tomorrow, y'all, we're gonna be replacing these, man. Mufflers. Get these bad boys taken off. Okay. I might give me a mid pipe too, to be honest with you. All right, y'all, we got both the cats out, man. Both the cats out. Now we about to put the lower down pipes, man. The boosted Autowerks. Let's go. Man, I cannot wait for the summertime.
Yeah.
This weather, boy, it be too cold.
I'm not fucking with it at all.
Hey, too cold.
That's why I like working on cars. It's like, when your car pulls up, it's hot as hell.
Yeah. Man, I can't wait to test drive it, man.
Right, it's gonna pull. This is the rear wheel drive?
Yeah.
It's gonna pull, and you're not really gonna know what to do after.
Yeah.
Careful, it's raining.
Yeah, definitely. I'm not gonna push it there. I'm not gonna push it.
A lot, like if you push it in the rain, it will spin out. You starting to do a drive pattern, bro.
Yeah.
That's what I would do.
Man, but how y'all like the fin though, man? I ain't gonna lie, that Q60 so hard. Like, I wish I would have bought one for real. Like, I wish I got the 2-door. But nah, that's smooth though, for real. That's a smooth ass Q. Yeah, that's smooth. I got the stock cats. All right, y'all, the Boosted 6 Autowerks is on, man. We got the lower down pipes. Hey, man, I'm excited. I ain't gonna count. I'm like a kid, like a kid on Christmas right now, man. I've been waiting so long to install these, like for real. I've been waiting so long to install these. But let me know how much horsepower y'all think is gonna add to the car. Yeah.
That was one of my biggest issues. I just took it completely off. Alright, let's see. That cover on. Alright, go ahead and start.
Alright. Yeah, you got the key. I'm gonna put these cats in the car real quick. Actually, you could pop the trunk real quick.
Yeah.
Alright, bet. Alright.
Ready?
Yo, let's do it. Alright, y'all. First start in the queue with the downpipes, man. They're a little bit louder though. I ain't gonna lie. You can definitely hear it.
It's a little bit deeper.
Yeah.
Is your car warmed up? It's a little warm.
Yeah.
Have it a little. You might hear the turbo slightly.
Oh boy. Joe, that sound crazy. Pull it out.
Huh?
Pull it out.
Yeah, you should be good to go, bro.
Okay. I definitely want to hear your car though too.
Yeah. I'm gonna close up and I'll meet you outside.
Okay, cool. All right, y'all, man. We about to get a POV with the downpipes on. Okay. Okay. I fuck with it. Yeah, I fuck with that. I'm gonna have to cut off my resonator then.
Yeah, it sounds nice.
Yeah. Yeah. That's hard. I ain't gonna lie, that's hard. See? I don't know. I might get RSR springs or something like that.
I'd rather you go coil.
Or what is it? H&R?
RSR.
RSR. Okay.
Those are good, but I mean, if you plan on making pretty decent power with your car,
Yeah. Gotta lower it.
I'd much rather you go like coilovers.
Okay.
Just because like they're stiffer with stock suspension.
Got you.
Like if you just throw springs on it, it'll be stiff, but it's like bouncy as hell.
Got you. Okay. Got you. For sure. All right then, bro. I appreciate it once again, bro.
Yes, sir. Let me know how it runs.
Definitely.
I'll do a pull for you.
I bet. Hey man, the Q's in the building, man. The Q's in the building, man. You know how we coming. That nigga too excited right now, bro. That nigga is too excited right now, bro. Y'all don't understand how long I've been waiting for some downpipes on this car, bro. Bruh, this car feels so freaking responsive. Oh my God. Bro, about to do a pool. Dog, that's crazy. Sport mode. Oh my God, this car got so yo, bro, this car just woke up, bro. Oh my God. Yo, hold on. I gotta pick up this. Hold on. I gotta put the camera down real quick. Hold on. Alright, y'all. Man, these downpipes, man, they make a huge power difference in your Infiniti Q50, man, if you got one. Or Q60 3.0 T. Man, bro. Hey, when the light turn green, I'm gonna just kind of gun it. And hopefully you guys, you know what I'm saying, you can hear the turbo noises and whatnot. But nah, this car goes. When I tell you this car is quick, this car is quick now. Bro, this car is so fast. Bro, this is crazy, bro. This is crazy, bro. How like one little mod could just open up the whole car like this. Can't even floor the car for real. Cause if you do, you're gonna spin out. You gotta like literally just like tap the gas a little bit. Nah, this car is a beast, bro. Man. Over here would be trying to brake. This car is too quick, bro. This is crazy, bro. Bro. Like, this car pulls all the way through now. Like, it keeps pulling, like, all the way through the RPMs. It just keeps going, bro. It just keeps going. Keeps building boost. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God, bro. This shit is crazy. Go ahead and make this love. Oh my God. Turbo spooling. This car is different, bro. This car is so different. This car is so different, bro. Tomorrow, man, I gotta order the axle back exhaust for the car. Make the car louder.